The Oakland Coliseum. The Oakland Coliseum, also known as the Ring Central Coliseum, is a multi-purpose stadium located in Oakland, California. Here's some information about the venue. Oakland Alameda County Coliseum Complex, which is located near Interstate 880 in East Oakland. The is 7,000 Coliseum Way, Oakland, California, 94666. As a home for the Oakland Athletics Bears, it has also served as the home stadium for the Oakland Raiders, NFL football, and the Golden State Warriors, NBA basketball. Features the stadium, designed to accommodate both baseball and football games. It has a seating capacity of approximately 46,000 for baseball and 56,000. Features two main levels of seating, with additional seating in the upper deck and bleacher sections. Events in a Coliseum has hosted concerts, monster truck rallies, motocross races, and other entertainment events over the years. It has also been the site of political rallies, religious gatherings, and community festivals. Renovations and upgrades throughout its history to modernize facilities and improve the fan experience. However, the venue has faced challenges related to its aging infrastructure and has been the subject of discussions regarding potential replacement or relocation for sports teams. Transportation accessible by car, with ample parking available on site. It's also conveniently located near the Coliseum BART station, making it accessible via public transportation. For those traveling from other parts of the Bay Area, Coliseum holds a significant place in the hearts of sports fans. It has been the site of many memorable moments in sports history, including World Series championships for the Athletics and AFC championship games for the Raiders. Future Oakland Coliseum continues to host events, including Athletics baseball games. However, the Raiders have relocated to Las Vegas, and the Warriors have moved to the Chase Center in San Francisco. The long-term future of the stadium remains uncertain, with discussions ongoing about potential redevelopment or replacement plans. Overall, the Oakland Coliseum has played a central role in the sports and entertainment landscape of the Bay Area for decades, and its legacy will be remembered by fans for years to come. Find more vlogs at https://com. Ready to transform your travel dreams with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day with MRR courses. https://www.com/webinar. Scale effortlessly with nuBeginning Success. Collaborations, comprehensive resources. https://success collaboration. God bless you.